If there's one thing I love to feel like my house is completely made over, it is a new rug, and that is because it's the fastest way that I have found to change a space completely. However, after owning dozens and dozens of rugs, I have definitely learned what to look for in quality, style, comfort, and cleaning especially. First things first, we always want our rugs to be absolutely beautiful and fit our space so perfectly. This Oppo Dream rug was great to do just that. I wanted a little bit of change underneath our dining room table, and I feel like it draws so many beautiful colors out with all of these different patterns and these golds and blues throughout. The next thing I look for, especially under a dining room table, is that it's easy to clean, whether it be vacuuming or throwing in the washer. That is an absolute necessity for me, especially having 2 toddlers, a newborn, and 2 dogs in the house along with me and my husband. We need something that is very easy to clean. This one here is the 5x7 size, which is perfect to fit in our very small washer. And once it's done in the washer, I go ahead and just let it air dry and then do a no heat fluff in the dryer just to bring it back to that nice softness. And when I say soft, I mean soft. This rug is so unbeatable in how soft and comfortable it is. It's hard to not want to roll around under my dining room table. I also like to do the rug tripping test where I kind of lift a corner and see if it's weighted enough to not be picked up if I were to kick it or if my toddlers are running full speed at it and kind of lift under it. And this one passes that. I will say if you flip it obviously halfway up, it's going to probably stay over, but right at the corner there, it should be good to go. Which also means it's easy to vacuum and typically only needs you to hold down the very, very corner when you're reaching the edge of the rug. Otherwise, again, that weight of the rug is perfect where it's not too heavy, but weighted just enough that the vacuum can glide right over. It does also have a nice amount of grip on the bottom of the rug there, so we have it on tile as you can see here, which tends to be very slippery, but that grippy pad underneath is absolutely perfect to help it stay put. From the quality of stitching to the color to the fabric, I am so impressed with this rug. I am so happy with it, and I love how easy it is to transform any space with a little pop of color.